Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening or good afternoon, depending on what this presentation it will be watching. My name is Gali Saputra with NPM 11 and 20. And in this presentation, I will explain the topic number system, the course computer organization. Number system are one of the most important topic in the computer science because every activity performed by a computer depending on numerical representation. When we use computer on open application, save file, play videos, browser the internet, or run programs, all of the process involve data processing. However, computers do not understand information the same way humans do. Humans usually read text, number, image, and symbol directly. Computer, on the other hand, convert everything into numerical values before processing it. Because of that, understanding number system help us understanding how computers store data, perform calculation, and communicate internally. All right, the definition of number system. Number system is a method used to represent numerical value using specific symbol according to a certain base or radix. In mathematics and computer science, a number system provides rule for writing and interpreting number. For example, the decimal system that humans use every day counts of 10 symbols, which is 0 until 9. Meanwhile, a computer mainly uses binary number consisting only of 0 and 1. In computer organization, number systems are extremely important because computers use them to represent information. Every instruction executed by a processor, every memory location, every character type on the keyboard, and every image display on a monitor is stored a number. For example, when someone wrote the word computer, the computer does not store it exactly as humans see it. Instead, each character is converted into numerical value through encoding systems such as ASCII or Unicode. Therefore, a number system becomes the foundation of data representation inside computer. Alright, next slide was concept of base of radix. The next, we move to the concept of base of radix. The radix indicate how many symbols are available in a number system. Different number systems use the different base. The first one is binary, which use base 2 only has 2 digits 0 and 1. And the second is octal base with base 8 using digit 0 to 7. The third is decimal with the base 10 using digits 0 to 9. And the fourth is the hexadecimal using the base 16 with the digits 0 to 9 and letter A until F. Each digit position is a number has a value depending on its position and the base used. For example, in decimal number, each position represents power of 10. In binary number, position of represent power of 2. This position value makes system is possible to represent very large number efficiently. The concept of radix is important because it explains why the same value may look different in different number system. For example, the decimal number 10 is writing as 1, 0 in decimal form, but binary it becomes a 1010. Although the symbols are different, the actual value remains the same. Alright, the slide 4, the decimal number system. The decimal number system is system most commonly used by humans in daily activity. We use decimal number in counting money, measuring distance, recording time, and many other activities. This system using the 10 digits from 0 to 9. For example, the number 356 be spread into 3 multiplied by 10 squared plus 5 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus 6 multiplied by 10 power 0. The calculation becomes 300 plus 50 plus 6. This, this procedure this produced the final value of 356. The decimal system is easy to human because it's match or every calculation. However, the computer do not naturally using the decimal number. Computer prefer binary because electronic circuit will recognize two states. Every two computer operated internally using binary. Users still interact most with decimal number because they are easier to understand. The next one was binary number system. Binary is the most important number system in computer organization. This system uses only 2 digits. Like I said before, it was 0 and 1. At first, it may seem strange because humans are used to 10 digits. However, binary perfectly match electronic system. Inside a computer, components such as transistor operate using two states. One state represents on, another represents off. These two states can be expressed as 1 and 0. Binary is used everywhere inside computer memory system. Memory storage use binary. Processor perform operation in binary. The digital communication system also rely on binary representation. Even image, sound, and video are eventually transformed into binary data. And now the slide 6 was the octal number system. Octal was used base 8 and contain digits from 0 until 7. The octal system was historically important because it's simplified by binary number. One octal digit represents exactly 3 binary bits. Although octal is not common today as a hexadecimal, it still appears in certain programming environment and operation system. Alright, the next slide was hexadecimal number system. Number in hexadecimal was based in 16. It includes number 0 to 9 and letter A to F. Letter A represent by to 10, letter B represent 11, letter C represent 12, and letter F represent 15. Hexadecimal is extremely useful in computing because it represents binary value in shorter from one hexadecimal digit representation for binary bits. Hexadecimal numbers are commonly found in memory address, machine instruction, color codes, and debugging system. Alright, the slide 8 was decimal to binary conversion. The most common method is represent division by 2. The decimal number 25. The first was 25 divide by 2 give 12 remain 1. 12 divided by 2 gives 6 remain 0. 6 divided by 2 give 10 remain 0. 3 divided by 2 give 1 remain 0. 1 divided by 2 give 0 remain 1. After obtain all remaining, we read them from bottom on top. The final binary result become 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This computation processing is very important because computing needs binary input for internal processing. Alright, the next slide was binary complement. Computer also need method represent negative number. The method was common like the first one in complement. In this method, every 0 change 1 and every 1 change into 0. And then the to complement is preferred because arithmetic operational becomes simpler. Model computing system used to complement for representing sign-in and integer. Without complement, computing would have difficult processing subtraction and negative value efficiently. The application of number system was they have memory representation and information stored memory eventually become binary. The second was system by CPU, arithmetic operation, processor perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and logical operation using binary value. The third one was they use memory addressing. Every memory located in numerical address. Fourth, number system support programming and debugging activity. Programming often use hexadecimal value when analyzing memory content. And then finally, the number system is important, the digital communication and signal processing. Without the number system, modern computer and digital technology will be not function. The conclusion, the number system from the foundation of computer organization. After all, the humans mainly use decimal number. Computer really heavy on binary representation. Octal and hexadecimal system help simply binary data and improving readability. Understanding decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal conversion technique, and complement give us better understanding how computer operate internally. This knowledge important not only for computer organization but also for programming, networking, operation system, and digital electronic. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation help everyone understand the number system more clearly. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.